Hello everyone, in this video I shall tell you how to write the scope of future research. For example, I've taken the example of NPAs in banks. So for that I would write the scope of future research. Scope of future research means what is left undone in my research. I would suggest the other researchers to start from there. So I would say the present study is restricted to the bank customers in private and public sector banks in Mumbai. Similar studies can be carried out in other parts of the country. I would say in the scope that the present study is say collecting based upon primary data. The secondary data on NPAs can be studied. The current study is based on the data collected from 200 bank customers. So I can gather a sample size. I can suggest that the other researchers might work with the larger sample size. A comparison of NPAs in public and private sector banks can also be made in future research. Other areas that I can cover is areas not covered. For example, in case of NPAs, I can say that I've taken a sample from bank customers. Now other researchers can take a sample from bankers. They can study NPAs from the bankers' perspectives, that what are the reasons for the increasing NPAs, or say they can carry out studies in rural areas of India, or they can carry out studies with other respondents, say purely what is the perspective of purely women on this area of NPAs, what is the perspective across demographics, say people belonging to different age groups or across different income groups, what is their perspective regarding NPAs, what is the reason of mounting NPAs. Or I can also carry out, for example, I've studied the factors of mounting NPAs in banks using factor analysis. Now I can use regression to find out the importance of these factors, which factor is the most important factor in determining NPAs or causing NPAs in banks. So I can also develop a scale on the reasons for NPAs in banks. So this is what I can write in scope for future research. So this is how I write it, and these are the areas in which I can write. So thanks for watching.